Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates ha, kasi hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. But anyway, kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, ma-appreciate ko kung magla-like ka at magko-comment sa baba, no? And any comments will do, basta positive. Kahit nga po heart-heart lang, mas malaking bagay na po yun sa akin. At kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, subscribe ka na lang po. Okay, so let's start the reading. Jing Tarot Reader, yun yung nagbibigay na personal reading. Friend ko yun, guys. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And ilalagay ko dyan sa description box yung Facebook page, yung link ng Facebook page na sa akin. Okay, so hopefully ay ma-follow or ma-like mo rin ako sa Facebook. Okay, so start na natin ang reading. Virgo. Okay, so you do have here the Five of Cups and the World and the Chariot, uh, Ten of Swords. So for what I can see here, eto pwedeng ikaw or yung person mo. Kasi pwedeng magkapalit-palit ang roles eh. With the Five of Cups, nakikita natin, nalulungkot ka, nasasaktan ka. Pwedeng with the world, medyo malaki yung distance sa inyo ng person na ito, no? Pwedeng either nagkakaroon talaga kayong literal na separation or malayo siya sa'yo, sabihin na natin yung lugar, ganyan. Or might be yung person na kakonect mo is pwedeng hindi mo kayang maging open sa kanya or vice versa. Pwedeng hindi siya nagiging open sa'yo. So, yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit ka nasasaktan or nalulungkot dito. Okay? And with the Chariot, uh, this could be some kind of pagta-travel or yun nga kasi pwedeng may distance sa inyo na person na ito or yung iba napipilitan kang umalis or umiwas, ganyan. And some sort of like ending with the Ten of Swords ang nangyayari sa inyo ng person na ito na kung um, bakit ka nasasaktan, kung bakit ka nalulungkot ngayon. So, sino yung person na nakakonect mo? Ano yung energy niya? Kunin natin. For the sign of Virgo. Okay, person mo, you do have here the Knight of Coins. And the Death card. Clarify natin, what's with the Death card? The Ten of Wands. So, pwede nagkakaroon nga ng ending sa inyo na itong person. Ito number 10 in numerology. It's all about ending. And yung Death card, yeah, some kind of ending ang nangyayari sa inyo. But with the Knight of Coins, nakakita tayo ng might be offer dito sa person na to. But I do feel like either yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng tinurn down mo si offer or wala kang ginawa regarding the offer. So, parang yung person na ito, automatically, ibig sabihin nun, ayaw mo or hindi mo ina-accept si offer. So, might be, etong person na to, sige, okay lang. Parang, fine. If you don't want, kung, diba? With the Emperor, this is Aries energy, so, itong person na ito, gusto sana niyang mag-build ng something sa'yo eh. Like maybe partnership, you do have the Six of Pentacles, or yung pwedeng yung iba kasi ang offer, pwedeng tulong or something na both of you pwedeng may contribution dito. Okay? So, I feel like yung iba sa inyo gusto mo sanang i-accept or gusto mo sanang gumawa ng action or something about that offer, but parang ngayon wala kasing magawa. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pag di ka nakarelate, bigay mo na lang sa iba. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. The Ten of Cups. So, you do love this person. Actually, yung iba to the point na gusto mong bumuo ng maybe family or you really do love and like this person. Yun yung nakikita natin. Gusto mo siya, mahal mo siya, but with the Four of Swords, the feeling is pigil na pigil. Alam mo yun. Mahal mo siya, gusto mo siya, pero pigil na pigil na pigil ka. Yan. And with the Hierophant, maybe tinatry mong maging mature sa connection or might be, I don't know, you're being traditional. Yung iba pwedeng hindi kasi pwede na ganito, ganyan dahil sa maybe tradition or relihiyon, kultura. I don't know, but yung iba sa inyo with the Hierophant, you're being, might be professional or ayaw mong maging open sa person na to, especially sa emotions mo dahil pwedeng may nagdidikta, pwedeng sa'yo or sa side niya, I don't know, but I can see na tinatry mo as much as possible na wag i-open ang emotions mo sa taong to. Ano yung emotion ng taong ito sa'yo? The Five of Wands is here and the Six of Pentacles. And the Tower, followed by the Empress. Well, actually, the way I see this, medyo nabago with the Five of Wands. Kasi 5 in numerology is all about changes. So, medyo malaking pagbabago ang nararamdaman ng person na ito sa'yo. So, kung ano man yung mga binanggit niya noon, hindi na ganun. Okay? And with the Six of Pentacles, I feel like medyo nababalance niya ngayon or binabalance niya ngayon yung maybe yung nasa isip niya at saka yung emotion niya towards you. And medyo with the Tower, so pwede nagkaroon na rin ng ending sa iba sa inyo. And because of this ending, parang clarifications na nga. Kasi nga pwedeng itong person na to, kung hindi mo mabanggit sa akin, hindi mo masabi sa akin, mas papaniwalaan ko na lang yung pinapakita mo. Which is, hindi ka interesado, ayaw mo, hindi mo gusto, yun na lang panghawakan ko. And because of that, maybe itong person na to, with the Empress, nag-focus na lang siya sa pagmamahal sa sarili niya because, self-love, self-care, doon na lang. So, I don't know if you are already in a relationship or pwedeng may pamilya na involved, but wag mong kunin kung wala. Kasi pwedeng meron, pwedeng wala, depende sa sitwasyon mo, but the way I see this, yung iba pwedeng ito yung dahilan kung bakit pigil na pigil. Or kung wala man, pwedeng family or yun nga, tradition or religion, pwedeng yun yung nagiging dahilan. Kultura, ganyan. But nakikita natin kung gaano ka naglolong for this person. Like, you want more than anything. Parang ito yung pinaka-hinihiling mo sa ngayon, pero hindi mo makuha. And may nakikita nga pala akong like batang babae. This could be a reading. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng gustong may iniisip na paglipat ng bahay. Gustong lumipat ng tahanan or ng bahay. Pero okay lang kahit hindi. What will happen in the future for you and this person? Three of Swords is here. And the Six of Wands. Clarify the Three of Swords. Nine of Wands and the Sun. Nalaglag yung card, guys. Wait lang. Okay, so you do have here the Lovers, the Six of Swords. The Tower is at the bottom of the deck. Yan, meron tayo ditong the Hermit, the Hierophant, the Magician. Puro major arcana. Five of Swords sa bottom of the deck. But anyway, in the future, yung choice kasi nasa iyo eh. Depende sa action mo with the Six of Wands. I mean, you want to be happy with the Sun. Kung gusto mo maging masaya, especially kung itong person na to is may offer. Pero kung wala namang offer, don't take this as your reading. Kasi nakakita talaga tayo ng offer mula sa person na ito. Kung gusto mo maging masaya, or maybe actions mula sa kanya. So kung gusto mo maging masaya, all you have to do is to be real sa kung ano yung gusto mo and ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. So nakita tayo dito na yung actions na sa'yo. And the way I see this, continuous yung pain and suffering with the Three of Swords. This is a lot of sakit and like longing. Pero with the Nine of Wands, may mga bagay ka kasing kailangan tapusin in order for you na matapos yung sufferings or yung paglolong mo na yon towards this person. Okay, depende. Alam mo naman sa sarili mo kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo. With regards to this person, it's either the Lovers, this is a relationship, connection, reunion, reconciliation sa iba, or the Six of Swords. Okay, moving on. Okay, so this is your person na either may completion, connection, partnership, relationship sa inyong dalawa, or this person moving on kasi pwedeng ang choice ng iba sa inyo is to, wag mamili or wag gumawa ng action towards this person. So if that's your choice, then walang magagawa tong person na to kundi mag-move on and then mag-focus na lang sa buhay niya. The Tower is here. You need to end something. Ano yung gusto mong i-end? Yung connection mo dito sa person na to or yung sufferings mo kasi you still want more? With the Five of Swords, yung changes ang gagawa niyan ikaw. Yung future, kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa future, ikaw ang gagawa ng action sa present moment mo ngayon. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.